How to sign out from YouTube on Android mobile. So if you want to remove your YouTube account from your Android phone, then first you need to open up your settings. Open up your settings. So if you really want to remove or if you want to sign out, then what you can do is open up your settings. You don't have that option on your YouTube, and you can simply go for Google. And here you can tap on the little arrow which is on the right side of that Google. Tap on the arrow and then go for manage accounts on this device. And here it will take you to your account option, right? So once you're here on your account, here you will have all of the Google accounts or the Gmail accounts which are on your device. So you can simply choose the account which you would like to log out. So for example, if I choose this account, if I want to log out of my YouTube, then you need to simply choose the account which you are logged in. So I have been logged in with this account, and if you want to sign out or remove your YouTube account, then tap on remove account. And once you tap on remove account, it will delete all of the information, like it will remove your account from your messages, contacts, and it will be removed from everything. Tap on remove account and your account will be removed from YouTube, and you will be no longer logged in with the current account. So that's how you can sign out from YouTube on Android phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.